Let's talk about the best ways you can make money on Instagram in 2024. 1. Sponsored posts. One of the most common ways to make money on Instagram is through sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services to your followers. The amount you can earn depends on your follower count, engagement rate, and niche. Micro-influencers, people with 10K, 50K followers, can still earn significant money if they have an engaged audience. When reaching out to brands, make sure to showcase your engagement metrics and provide content ideas to show them what value you bring. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn on Instagram. You promote products or services through affiliate links, and when someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. You can add these links in your bio, stories, or captions. Some brands or networks you can join include Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, or ShareASale. Focus on products relevant to your niche that your audience would genuinely want to buy. Reviews, unboxings, and tutorials can drive higher conversions. 3. Selling products or services. Instagram is an excellent platform for selling your own products or services. Whether you're into physical products like clothing, handmade goods, or prints, or digital products like courses, ebooks, or templates, Instagram's features like Instagram Shopping and shoppable posts make it easy to turn your profile into a storefront. Make sure to use professional quality images and videos to showcase your offerings, and use Instagram Stories and Live features to provide real-time product demonstrations. 4. Instagram Reels Play Bonus Program. If you're producing engaging, viral reels, you can join Instagram's Reels Play Bonus program. This program rewards creators based on the performance of their reels. In 2024, Instagram continues to focus heavily on short-form video content, so creating compelling reels can help you tap into this bonus and boost your visibility. 5. Subscription-based content. Instagram now offers subscription features where you can provide exclusive content for paying followers. Fans who subscribe can get access to exclusive stories, badges, or behind-the-scenes content. If you have a highly engaged audience that values your insights or unique content, this is a great way to turn loyal followers into paying subscribers. Make sure to offer valuable perks like insider tips, exclusive can days, or early access to your posts. 6. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborating with other influencers or businesses can boost your reach and income. Look for opportunities to partner with complementary brands or influencers. For example, you can do giveaways or cross-promotions with brands where both parties benefit from increased exposure. You can also create joint product lines or collaborate on exclusive drops, which could lead to direct sales or sponsorships. 7. User-generated content. Another income stream is creating user-generated content, UGC, for brands. Some companies will pay you to create content for their social media accounts instead of your own. You don't need to have millions of followers for this. Brands are always on the lookout for authentic, high-quality content creators. To make the most of this, you can reach out directly to brands or sign up on UGC platforms that connect creators with companies. 8. Instagram Badges in Live. Instagram offers a badges feature for creators going live. Followers can purchase badges during your live streams to show their support, and in return, their comments get highlighted. It's a great way to engage your audience while monetizing your live content. You can also use live streams to launch products. 9. Offering coaching or consulting services. If you're an expert in a particular field, like fitness, business, photography, or social media strategy, you can use Instagram to promote coaching or consulting services. Use your posts, stories, and IGTV to demonstrate your expertise and attract clients. This can be done through one-on-one sessions, group webinars, or online courses. The more value you offer, the more likely you'll build a steady stream of clients. 10. Crowdfunding through fan support. You can also use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee to let your followers support you directly. You can promote your Patreon page on Instagram and offer exclusive perks for supporters, such as shout-outs, behind-the-scenes content, or private group access. If your audience appreciates your content and you engage with them regularly, many will be happy to contribute to your success. In 2024, Instagram continues to provide a variety of ways for creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs to make money. The key is to stay consistent, engage your audience, and provide real value. By using a mix of these strategies, you can create a sustainable income stream on Instagram while doing what you love.